Hello, dear Pisces. A very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a general love reading for all the Pisces Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Okay, and keep in mind, as this is generally love reading, it might or might not resonate with you. And the second thing, that the roles can be reversed anytime. Let's start with your reading. So Pisces, your partner's current energy right now is. Let's see, your partner's current energy right now is World. I feel like your partner is feeling like the connection is over right now, but there is still something that is yet unfinished between you guys, the world. Okay, I will clarify this, but I feel like your partner right now is feeling like this connection is over, or a cycle is completed in this connection, and might be he or she wants to start this connection all over again, start the new cycle with you. Let's clarify the world is their current energy. Six of Swords, Ace of Cups, yes, and the Chariot. Okay, so I feel like this person is feeling like, yes, a chapter is over between you guys. Now they want to start a new chapter, a different chapter, because they are feeling like they should have a peaceful resolution with you. They should start a peaceful connection with you again. They are feeling lots of overwhelming emotions for you, lots of new loving emotions for you. Okay, and I feel like this person is right now very determined. Right now they are moving away. Right now they are trying to move on from this connection. But yes, surely this person wants to come back to you because they are feeling lots of overwhelming and loving emotions for you. Okay, they're trying their best to move on from you, but I don't feel like they are able to do that. Okay, let's see what's your current energy, Pisces. Your current energy right now is, let's see. Okay, two of wands in reverse. So I feel like you're restless, impatient. You're deeply restless and impatient. You're not able to decide anything right now. You are trying your best to take any kind of decision and stick to that, but you are not able to do that, Pisces. You are in a deeply restlessness phase of your life right now. Let's clarify this restlessness. I mean, the two of wands in reverse for you as your current energy. Let's see. King of Swords, Nine of Pentacles, and the Six of Cups. Okay, so I feel like you tried your best to cut down somebody from your life, cut down the toxicity, cut down the relationship, and focus on yourself, your money, your self healing, your business, your job, everything about you. You tried your best to focus on that, but you're stuck on the past. Still stuck on the past. You're not able to come out of the sweet memories of the past, or the might be bad memories as well for some of you, but there the past is still haunting you. It's like the past is still mixing in your present. This is what is happening with you right now. That's why you are deeply restless. That's why you're not able to make any kind of decision. You tried your best to cut down the relationship from you, okay, or cut down this particular person from your side. You tried your best to focus on yourself, your money, your business, your job, your looks, your health, your everything, but you're still stuck on the past. Still so much stuck on the past that you're not able to move on from this connection. I can understand. This is what is happening. Okay, let's see what this person feels for you. Let's see. Okay, the cards are jumping like frogs right now. Let's see what this person feels for you, Pisces. Let's see. Strength could be dealing with a Leo. This person is feeling like they should hold back right now. They should not, connect with you right now. This is not the right time to connect with you, because might be they are fearing any kind of rejection, or might be they are feeling like the past thing will happen again, and they are feeling like they should just hold back right now. They are acting really courageous. Okay, this is kind of wearing some kind of mask of showing of something, but feeling actually feeling something different. This is the thing. This is what they are feeling for you. Let's clarify. The Fool. Okay, Three of Swords, my god, and the King of Wands. Yeah, I feel like, yes, this person is holding back right now. They are trying their best to start their life all over again, because they are deeply heartbroken, deeply sad, and they are just trying to do what they are feeling is right for them. So they have took a decision that I'm going to do whatever is going to feel good for me, or whatever is the right thing to do, that's what I'm going to do. I'm not going to do anything just because my emotions are like telling me to do so. So this person is ready to have a brand new beginning in their life, but they are not able to do so because they are deeply hurt and completely heartbroken, and they are feeling like they should just focus on focus on something that's making them really action oriented, or that's keeping them busy. Basically, this is the thing, and that's why they are feeling like they should hold back right now. This is not the right time because they're deeply heartbroken, deeply sad, deeply depressed. You both are feeling the same. I feel like that, Pisces. Let's see what this person wants from you. Let's see what this person wants from you. Ten of Pentacles. This person wants stability with you. This person wants to have a long-term committed relationship with you in the future. Not right now. Not right now. All this person wants from you is to be emotionally stable and financially stable. This is what they want from you. This person wants might be commitment from you. For some of you, I feel like you have commitment phobia, or they have commitment phobia, and one person is wanting a commitment from the other person. Pisces. This is what is happening. So let's clarify the Ten of Pentacles in what they want from you. Let's see. Let's clarify the Ten of Pentacles. Two of Pentacles and Page of Wands and the Moon. So you could be dealing with a Pisces, another Pisces, okay? Sun, Moon, Venus rising. So what they want from you, they want to come, they want you to come out of this confusing state of mind, to stop juggling between might be you or somebody else, or something that is they want you to stop. Okay, stop this conflicting state of mind and start your life all over again. Okay, they just want you to start your life all over again and communicate with them if you want to, and do something fun, do something related to your health or money, or something that is like really making you to take some kind of action. Okay, physical action. And this person wants you to come out of this fearful situation. You are being very secretive, I feel like that, and this person wants you to come out of this secretive phase of your life. You are fearful about the future. They want you to come out of this fearing future, fear of they want you to come out of this phobia that you are carrying for the future, and they want you to be emotionally stable, independent, and they want a stable relationship with you in the future. Yeah. Okay, so let's see what is coming towards you till the end, till 21st of July. Sorry, Pisces. Let's see what is coming towards you till 21st of July, or what to expect from this person. What to expect from this person till 21st of July. Let's see. Wheel of Fortune. Okay, so I feel like this person is turning around and coming back to you. I told you so in the current energy as well. They are feeling like there's something that is unfinished, and I feel like this person is coming back towards you. Wheel of Fortune is telling me that the tables are going to turn in your favor, and you are going to feel lucky. This is a lucky card actually. So let's clarify. The Wheel of Fortune is number 10, and it's like ending of something and starting of something again. This is like ending and starting. Let's clarify the Wheel of Fortune in the potential outcome, or you can say what to expect from this person. Turning back towards you. This is the thing. This is what to expect. Like Seven of Pentacles, Three of Pentacles, and the Two of Wands. Yes, I feel like this person is going to wait just for a few days, might be a few more days, might be because they are waiting for the right time. They are waiting very eagerly for you. For they are waiting very eagerly to connect with you again, and they have took the decision that they are going to come back to you, but they are just waiting for the right time to do so. And I feel like till 21st of July they are coming back towards you. Okay, so yes, I feel like this person wants to put all the efforts and energies that they can in this connection, and they feel like they should start this connection all over again, and let's see what will happen next. Okay, this is the thing. So this is although you are feeling like this relationship is over, I feel like there's something left in this connection, and still there's hope that this connection will work out in the future. But it's obviously it's your free will what you want to do with this connection. If you want this connection or not, that's up to you. But you are very restless, and I want to suggest you people, especially you Pisces people, that you should do forgiveness meditation. Please write on YouTube that Ho'oponopono. This is Ho'oponopono. This meditation you have to do every day, and that's going to make you relieved. Day by day, you're going to feel good and relieved. Okay. So thank you so much, Pisces, for tuning in. God bless you. Namaste. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye.